Ripple keeps expanding around the world, but why are the newest additions especially important? And could they even get XRP to $27? Stay tuned till the end of the video to find out. But first, we are giving away $500 at the end of the month to one random subscriber to start on their XRP journey. All you need to do is to like the video, subscribe and comment your thoughts on XRP in the comment section. Welcome back XRP Army. Ripple is continuing its global expansion with no signs of slowing down. To improve services to its clients and to further automate processes across its business lines, SBI Securities has expanded its business collaboration with Broadridge Financial Solutions, which was previously established in 2012. A part of SBI Holdings, the brokerage business is one of Japan's leading online securities firms and an early ally and investor in Ripple Labs. The brokerage firm is one of the country's largest online securities companies. In conjunction with SBI Remit, Ripple has recently launched its on-demand liquidity service in Japan, which is now operational. The use of the digital asset XRP allows RippleNet clients to remove pre-funding and minimize operating expenses, therefore releasing money and propelling the development of their payments companies. RippleNet is a decentralized worldwide payment network that can transmit and settle global payments on demand, utilizing rules and standards authorized by its members and linked with ISO 20022 standards. RippleNet is a decentralized global payment network that can send and settle global payments on demand. With RippleNet, cross-border payments may be settled in less than 3 seconds, reducing the settlement time from 3 days to only 3 seconds, resulting in a fully frictionless transaction. Broadridge's cloud-based ASP service in Asia will be used by SBI Securities to move the post-trade operations of its Hong Kong and Singapore companies, as well as to develop new services to automate the delivery of confirmation and statement output to customers. Aside from that, SBI Securities plans to take use of Broadridge's SWIFT Service Bureau in order to streamline SWIFT messaging operations internationally and directly with its custodian, allowing them to outsource the whole post-trade processing value chain to Broadridge. SBI Securities' Ichiro Takahashi, the company's head of global operations, stated, "To provide attractive investment opportunities to our clients with one of the lowest commission systems in the industry, we are working with Broadridge to further drive digital transformation of our post-trade and SWIFT workflows." By the way, what do you think about this expansion of Ripple? Let us know in the comment section down below. Broadridge's global, multi-asset capabilities, together with local presence and expertise in the unique and complex requirements of Japan and Asian markets, has been a winning combination for us in support of our business growth plans. We are excited to service our clients more effectively by benefiting from the flexibility, scalability and resilience of Broadridge's latest ASP service. Broadridge's Ian Strudwick, Managing Director and Head of Asia Pacific, had the following to say, "We are very excited to deepen our relationship with SBI Securities and offer the mutualization benefits of the Broadridge platform, including cost efficiencies, simplified compliance with market change, increased resilience, which will in turn free up time and resources for them to focus on differentiated activities for their clients. Our ASP solution enables SBI Securities to centralize their settlement operations, accelerates their move to the cloud and will ensure they always have access to the latest versions of our world-class technologies and increased automation to better serve their clients in the region. We will continue to innovate for our clients with new all-in-one solutions such as the recently launched Post-Trade Fast Start that cuts cost, simplifies implementation and accelerates time to market." By the way, what do you think about this expansion of Ripple? Let us know in the comment section down below. And there's much more in store for Ripple in the future. Because of Mark Zuckerberg's announcement that Facebook will shift its focus away from being a social media company and toward being Metaverse company, the technological industry has been increasingly interested in following this trend and seeing it as the next global revolution in the internet. In reality, the Metaverse has been present for a long time and has been brought up in the worlds of film and the Bitcoin market. The Metaverse is a nexus of the physical, virtual, VR, and augmented reality, AR, worlds that attempts to provide users with the most authentic experience possible. Considering how quickly NFT and gaming in the cryptocurrency industry have become a craze, it is believed that Metaverse will emerge as the next big thing after play to earn. In Metaverse, everything can be traded. This is a great opportunity for innovators to come to something unique and find a niche market for themselves. You can rent your land for the events, you can create wearable devices that people can buy and dress in the Metaverse, you can have billboards and build games. It all depends on your imagination, states NFT artist Singh. No one can anticipate the exact course of the Metaverse's growth, but it is certain that Bitcoin will play an important role in its evolution. Bank Ripple, as you may be aware, is the first gaming environment to be designed and run entirely on the Ripple blockchain. In order to enjoy a realistic match experience and gain important and transferable digital items, players must employ their combat talents in order to win. Bank Ripple is a platform that allows customers to send and receive XRP payments in a safe and straightforward manner. This is Ripple's open developer monetization platform, which is available to everyone. Bank Ripple, through its ecosystem, has expanded the functionality of the GameFi mechanism and launched its own play-to-earn game. In order to achieve the objective of creating a Bank Ripple platform that includes social networking sites and job platforms, Bank Ripple has built a strong community and provided chances for users to participate in play-to-earn games and earn BRP coins in the near future. The Bank Ripple roadmap outlines intentions to update their gaming system to a virtual reality (VR) game in March 2022, launch the Bank Ripple Metaverse BRL in November 2022, and upgrade to Bank Ripple 2.0 in November 2023, among other milestones. Comment, XRP Army, if you believe this will be a game changer for Ripple. It does sound fantastic, doesn't it? But what can we expect in terms of XRP's pricing in the near future? SBI Holdings of Japan announces financial results for the first 6 months of fiscal year 2021. The financial services firm group intends to employ XRP as a bridge currency to facilitate the implementation of its initiatives. The increased utility value of Ripple is likely to assist in driving up the price of XRP, with some technical experts predicting a target price of $27. Ripple is at the heart of SBI Holdings' ambitions for the second half of 2021. SBI Remit, Japan's first international money transfer service based on digital assets, was launched in the second half of 2021. In its financial results for the first half of 2021, the company stated that it intends to increase the usability of XRP even more. SBI, in conjunction with SBI VC Trade and SBI Ripple Asia, is utilizing XRP to facilitate international remittances from Japan to the Philippines. Credit risk and pre-funding expenditures for the company have been decreased as a result of the use of the cryptocurrency as a bridge currency. Following the presentation, the company has established a vehicle export business in Africa, and they aim to accept XRP as payment for SBI Motor Japan, which is an alias for the company. The ambitions of SBI to increase the usability and acceptability of XRP inside their business are likely to increase the demand for the cryptocurrency. SBI's financial numbers were recently discussed by XRP proponent at W. Canheman on Twitter. Do you agree that XRP will go to at least $27? If yes, then make sure to like this video. Ripple, the company that has the most XRP in the public market, is putting together a series of collaborations. Ripple, a blockchain-based company, and the payments behemoth recently announced a partnership. The agreement represents the first time that Ripple's on-demand liquidity (ODL) technology has been used in the Middle East. It is in the Middle East where 2 of the world's busiest remittance routes may be found. According to consultancy company McKinsey & Company, the United Arab Emirates and Saudi Arabia will process $78 billion in payments in 2020 alone. In a statement, Brooks Entwistle, managing director of RippleNet in Asia Pacific and the Middle East and North Africa, said once again, the formation of a first-in-market ODL launch illustrates a shared awareness that digital assets will play a critical role in the future of international payments. The price of XRP has been set at $27 by cryptocurrency analysts at CoinsKid, a YouTube channel that provides cryptocurrency price research and forecasting information. According to their technical analysis, the price of XRP is projected to reach a new high. What do you think about the latest expansions of Ripple? Do you think they'll get XRP to $28? Let us know in the comment section. If you want to continue to know about XRP, we have got 2 videos waiting for you on the end screen to check out. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Kindly note that prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and hence should not be considered financial advice. Do conduct your due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.